Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn English of Unit 2, lesson number. Open your textbook, page number 18. Today we are going to learn 2.2 activity time. Now look at this picture and read after me. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Jasmine, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. Marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Now look at the table below. We have to classify these pictures according to their groups. So first we will see to the mango. Mango will come in fruits. Mango belongs to the fruits, so it will come in fruit. Then next is rose. Rose belongs to which group? Fruit, vegetable, animal or flower? Yes, it belongs to the flower. Rose. Now the next is lotus. Lotus belongs to which group? Again flower. Then potato. Potato belongs to vegetable. Yes. Then next is onion. Again onion belongs to vegetable. Then the next is tomato. Tomato again vegetable. Then next is rabbit. Rabbit belongs to fruit, animals or flower. It belongs to animal. Rabbit belongs to animal. Then now the next is grapes. Grapes belongs to again fruit. G-R-A-P. Yes, yes. Now the next is jasmine. Jasmine belongs to flower. Now the next is snake. Snake belongs to again animal. Now the next is marigold. Marigold belongs to flower. Now the next is elephant. Elephant belongs to animal. Now the next is guava. Guava belongs to fruit. Now the next is apple. Apple belongs to fruit. Now cucumber. Cucumber belongs to vegetable. Very good. Now the next and the last is tiger. Tiger belongs to animal. I hope you all understood this. Now, let's come on page number 19. Here, who am I? So, here some clues are given. Now we'll read this riddle and we'll find out the answer from these pictures. Okay. Now let's start with the first riddle. I have 2 hands, but I can't clap. Who am I? Now, in this picture, who's having 2 hands? See the elephant. Can we see elephant is having 2 hands? No, it's having 4 legs. Now look at this squirrel. It's having 4 legs. Now look at this ox. It's having again 4 legs. Now look at this kite. Is it having 2 hands? No, not at all. Now then see, look at this clock. Is it having 2 hands? Yes, the needles of this clock is like hands. 2 hands. Can they clap? No, they can't clap. So first answer is a clock. C-L-O-C-K. Now come to the second riddle. I fly without wings and have a long tail. Who am I? Now students, see here. Can elephant fly? No. Can this squirrel fly? No. Can ox fly? No. Then who can fly here? Kite. Yes, because it's having a long tail also, and without wings the kite can fly in the sky. So what will be our answer? Kite. Now come to the third riddle. I have a bushy tail and like to eat nuts. Who am I? Who likes to eat nut? Elephant likes to eat nut? No. Ox like to eat nuts? No. And who's having a bushy tail? This squirrel. And this squirrel also likes to eat nuts. Then what will be our answer here? Squirrel. Now come to the fourth riddle. I can easily eat leaves from the tall trees. I don't have to climb. I have a long trunk. Who am I? Now students, tell me, who can easily eat leaves from the tall tree and who's having a trunk? Only 2 animals left over here. One is elephant and one is ox. So now tell me, who is having a trunk? Elephant. Yes. Why elephant can easily eat leaves from the trees? Because it is a huge animal. So what will be our answer? Elephant. Now the next and the last riddle is, I have 2 horns and 4 legs. I work on the farm. Who am I? Now who works on the farm and who's having got 2 horns on the head? So who's having? Ox. And ox work on the farm also. So what will be our last answer is ox. I hope you all have understood this chapter.